last 7 days, whenever we used to come to Renishaw, the stall was always busy with visitors. And in the last day, we can see so many smiling faces.
Absolutely.
You had a couple of new launches.
Yeah, we had quite a few actually. On machine tool, we had a couple of launches. Then we have, encoder enclosed scales, 40s that has been launched. Then, there's a new additional sensor we have launched, ultrasonic probe. And then, quite a few other things to demonstrate actually. It's been great show so far. Couldn't have asked for better than this. In fact, I was surprised. Generally, the first day will be very quiet, but not the case this time. We had very good visitors even since first day. Today is quiet, being the last day, but very happy. I think I can see one of the key reason is it's happening after 4 years. So people are out. People wanted to come to this show, want to engage with the latest technology, what is happening. I think really a good time to really work with customers after this show. I'm sure we are all excited. There'll be a lot of engagement with the customer, and we want to make sure that we help them in their productivity improvements, getting speed into their manufacturing process, and how they can produce quality parts. I think that's going to be our focus.
Sanjay sir, one thing what we have seen is, earlier whenever this exhibition is there, we find people, going and looking at other stalls. But this time, that was something very less, because we were engaged in our stall.
Yeah.
Another thing is, there is very less Chinese exhibitors in this exhibition.
Yeah, I can see that. Actually, I'm not seeing many Chinese people here in the show. And you are right. Actually, every past IMTEX we had an opportunity. Sometime you can find time and go and see the other stand. To be very frank with you, I have not been able to go out anywhere. This show last 6 days. Even I wanted to go today, but even until 2 hours back, we had engagement from customer. So it's been a very, very busy show. You're absolutely right, absolutely spot on that. Very busy time, absolutely.
Sir, again what I'm telling is, as the number of, 950 plus exhibitors, and I think this is the IMTEX where maximum numbers are Indian exhibitors.
Yes.
Or multinational who are having an operations here.
Absolutely.
That's what I'm telling you, it's too much of business.
Yes.
Everyone is closing deals here.
Yeah, actually, some of the people I met today, they said that, in the past IMTEX we never been able to close anything. They have really told me today that, they have been able to close the deals because they deal with very high-end machines. And, I was very pleased to hear that even such kind of high-end machines can be also finalized. It's been great, If it is good, if it's very positive for everyone, I think it's good for our Indian industry. I think, next 20 years, I guess, is for us.
No looking back.
Yeah, no looking back, absolutely.
When we hear stories from US, when we hear stories from Europe, there is some small recession or slowdown is there. India is just getting started.
Yeah, actually, I know this news is going on, and probably it's been there. I don't know, because I haven't traveled to these countries recently. But there's no signs of that in India. I think we have a huge domestic market to cater to, and I'm not seen anybody talking about it in the show, and even before the show also. I don't think so. We need to be worried about that.
And thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much, Hari. It's a pleasure to talk to you always.
Thank you very
much.
Thank you.